Season is a period of the year distinguished by special climate conditions. It divides the year based on changes in weather, ecology, and the number of daylight hours in a given region. There are 4 major seasons that takes place on Earth: spring, summer, fall, and winter. But in a country near the equator like the Philippines, it experiences 2 seasons: the rainy season from June to November, and the dry season from December to May. The cool dry season occurs from December to February, and the hot dry season occurs from March to May. Typhoons have great influence on the climate and weather conditions of the Philippines. It deeply influences the amount of rainfall experienced in a year, the amount of humidity, cloudiness, and etc. The typhoons generally originate in the Pacific Ocean, usually moving in a northwestward direction. Since Mindanao is located in the southern part of the Philippines, it is rarely hit by the majority of typhoons, and thus being an ideal place for agriculture and industrial development. Philippine climate is classified into 4 types. Type 1 climate has 2 pronounced seasons: dry from November to April, and wet during the rest of the year. The maximum range of period of this type of climate range from June to September. Places that has type 2 climate experiences no dry season with a very pronounced maximum rain period from December to February. There is not a single dry month. In fact, the maximum monthly rainfall occurs during the period from December to February, or March to May. For type 3 climate, there is no pronounced maximum rain period, with the dry season lasting only from 1 to 3 months, either during the period from December to February, or March to May. This type resembles type 1 since it has a short dry season. Finally, we have the type 4 climate. This climate experiences rainfall which is more or less evenly distributed throughout the year. This type resembles type 2 climate since it has no dry season. As Filipinos, we can recognize that there are 3 main seasons we experienced here in the Philippines. First is Tag-Init, or the hot season, which happens from March to May. This season is great for going to the beach and enjoy basking under the sun with family and friends. Second is Tag-Ulan, or the rainy season, which occurs from June to November. This is a great time for farmers, as the rain would allow their crops to grow. Lastly is the Tag-Lamig, or the cold season, which occur from December to February. This is a time where we Filipinos celebrate holidays and strengthen our bonds with our families and loved ones.